By 2030, just a mere decade from now, 75% of the US workforce is expected to be made up of millennials. So who are these millennials, especially when we're talking about lawyers, and why should you care to get to know them? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Nicole Aboud of NicoleAboud.com, and I'm the host of the Gen Y Lawyer podcast. And this is Lead Like a Lawyer with Attorney at Work, where we share one really good idea every day. I've had the opportunity to speak with hundreds of lawyers across the US on my show, and the majority of them are millennials, or members of Generation Y. So people born between 1980 and 2000 roughly. And I've also spoken to many lawyers from other generations who identified as millennials at heart. So I've kind of noticed a few patterns in what lawyers, especially millennials, value. So how can you tell if you're a millennial or a millennial at heart? Well, you might be a millennial if you don't really enjoy being at your desk 14 hours a day and would prefer to spend time attending your kid's soccer game, for example, or spending time with your friends because you know you can do your work remotely and stay connected to clients from anywhere because of a beautiful thing called technology. So it's true harmony between work and life that you seek. You might be a millennial if before you applied for that position at that one law firm, you actually looked on the firm's website for their mission statement or for something that indicated their values and what they stood for. Working for a firm or a company that has values aligned with your own is important to you. You might be a millennial if you look to others in your firm or movers and shakers in your practice area, and you aspire to connect and learn from them in a mentorship relationship because you understand that success leaves clues and you want to learn directly how to best set yourself up for success in this profession. You might be a millennial if you seek to make an impact with your work and you want to see that your work is making a difference. So direct client contact is important to you, and so is working on matters that contribute to the overall well-being of your community. So why does this all matter anyway? Well, the legal profession is made up of lawyers spanning 4 generations. If we don't learn to understand each other better and show interest in learning about our collective generational traits as well as individual values, then it'll be more difficult to connect with others whom we work and interact with every day. Lawyers and law firms that fail to acknowledge the importance of generational differences and values and open communication will be left behind in the future of the legal profession. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and go ahead and share this with your friends. Also, be sure to sign up for the Attorney at Work newsletter for practice management, productivity, and marketing tips at attorneyatwork.com.